Hi, I am Dr. Eva Porras, and I will take you on a three-part journey into the financial world that will help you learn the process of going public and how to benefit from it. I hold 2 PhDs in finance, one from Florida Atlantic University in the US and one from University of Almería in Spain. I have also attended 2 postdoctoral courses in Harvard Business School. With reference to academia, my working experience includes 8 years at the IE School, the Instituto de Empresa in Madrid, Spain, where I held the position of Director of the Master Programs in Finance. Currently, I am a member of the investment committees and the policy subcommittees of Sonta International Foundation and Sonta International in the USA. I am also a partner in 2 consulting firms in Spain and Hungary, where we value businesses to help them grow and reveal their true potential. Now, let us build your knowledge so you can later put it into practice. The third topic is IPO valuations. Here we will talk about the principles of valuation, different valuation methods, the cost of capital, adjustments in IPO valuations, and the aftermarket.